Episode 23. Butter. Yes, that's right, we're making some butter. And something that after actually making, I wonder why the hell don't people make this more? Seriously. Anyway, start by adding 1 cup of sour cream to a stand mixer. Then add 2.5 cups of heavy cream, and now you just let it mix away through all the stages. Stage 1. What is this? Stage 2. Whipped cream. Stage 3. Awkward yellowish whipped cream. Stage 4. Chunky butter with buttermilk at the bottom. And now for the most important part. You need to rinse the butter in ice cold water. You can either double cheesecloth or do what I did. Crappy towel and just mix it around, keep squeezing it, dunk and squeeze until all the water comes clean. I had to change the bowl once, store it in a container of your choice, and this will keep in the fridge for about 7 days. If it lasts that long, because it's so damn good. I added some coarse sea salt towards the end. And now, the most important test, the bread test, and it passed with flying colors. Holy crap, it's so easy, you just put it on and walk away. A lot of the recipes said it'll take like 5 minutes. It definitely took closer to 15-20, but it's fine, it's a breeze, and it's delicious. Holy crap. It's amazing, it's smooth, right amount of salty, and it's how I'm gonna make compound butter forever. And it's that kind of good butter that when you go to a restaurant and they have butter on the table and you eat an entire loaf of bread and then consider just for a second, get another loaf. But oh, your appetizer is here. Enjoy your buffalo blast. Well, that's all for this video. I'll see you real soon with what else I make with fresh butter. Why not follow?